My name is Jonathan Stranger, and we're out here at Domenica Farms, the garden for our restaurant Osteria here in Oklahoma City. This is Barilla Celentani with an assorted amount of our heirloom tomatoes, different peppers, peppercini, Hungarian wax pepper, jalapeno, sunflower petals, Chioggia beets, and just a little bit of goat cheese on top. What's really fun about this dish and cooking this way is that we get to capture a moment. And pasta literally is the best vehicle to do that, because something like Barilla it's easy, it's available. I love that it cooks on time, even today, to the minute it was ready. So you know what you're getting, you know you have a great product. So now it's just taking what's around you and just adding them to it. You don't have to do a lot to make this product great. Just season it and go with what you enjoy. You know, right now it's summer here, so I want to use vegetables. It's bright, it's earthy. We don't want a really heavy pasta. So by being able to pick stuff right out of our garden, grab a box of Barilla, and very quickly have an amazing dish, because pasta is such a great vehicle to execute anything that you enjoy. Pasta makes it better, and Barilla does a great job in assisting you in the kitchen. For me as a chef, Barilla pasta is an amazing product because it's consistent. I can always count on it, and I can always show off the ingredients that I really want to put forth with Barilla underneath it, and always know it's going to be a successful dinner.